Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is, can I define a structure inside a function? In main method, so I am defining one structure variable, struct emp int id char name of 36, so int sal. So clear the screen, clr scr, so struct emp e1 comma e2. Is valid or invalid? Yes, valid. Alt F9. Yes. Okay. Yes. So Alt F9. Yes. Control F9. After calling the function, declaration is not allowed. That's why we'll get an error. Here, after calling the function, declaration is not allowed. So struct emp e1 comma e2. So Alt F9. Yes. Control F9. So now the limitation is we cannot access this structure inside the function. So void user defined function smr. In this smr struct emp e1. This one is invalid. We'll get an error. Alt F9 will get an errors. Undefined symbol struct emp. So we are defining a structure inside a function. This scope is available only within this function. We cannot access outside the function. Next one is, can I define a structure inside a structure? Here I am taking one structure. Type def faculty. So every faculty is an employee. That's why in this faculty I define another structure called struct employee. So every employee has an id, int id, every name, and then salary. Where I am taking the variable name is e. See extra faculty address, so char addr of some address 20, char phone number of size 20. So in this structure I am declaring f1 or f clr scr. Now here the memory is allocated for, can I define one structure variable as inside a structure? Yes, this one is called containership. Here this is faculty. In this faculty we have structure inside a structure. This is one structure. This one is phone number, address. This one is phone number. This is another structure called e. In this E, once again we have id, name, sal. So id, name, id, name, sal. Here I am taking the base address is 500 or 600. Next this address is 640. This address is 660. This one is ID. How to access? This variable name is f. How to access? F dot e dot id. F dot e dot name. F dot e dot salary. So f dot address. F dot phone number. So initial values is garbage values. Now this is the, for this up to this the memory is allocated. Now f dot e dot id is equal to employee id is equal to 2270. Next is string copy of f dot e dot name is equal to smr. Run this code, will get an error. Alt F9 will get an error. So type def struct. Alt F9, yes, will get an error. SMR should be within the double quotes. Once again we will get an error. This is an address, this is an address. By using string copy function you have to use Alt F9, L value required. So str cpy next to salary, f dot e dot salary is equal to 16,000. Next faculty address is equal to same Vijayawada. So this is by using str cpy function string copy. Run this code, will get an error. So Vijayawada also string within the double quotes. So by mistake Alt F9 will get an error, undefined symbol Vijayawada. So this should be within the double quotes. So once again we will get an error. This one is address, this one is address. By using string copy function you have to Alt F9 error L value required. So str cpy string copy of address and then Vijayawada. Next one, similarly phone number also str string copy of f dot phone underscore number. So phone number is some string. Printing these values, printf slash n id is equal to %d, name is equal to %s, salary is equal to %d, address is equal to %s, phone number is equal to %s, comma, first one is f dot e dot id, f dot e dot name, f dot e dot salary. Next one is f dot addr, f dot phone number. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. ID, name, salary, address and phone number. So this is called, can I define one structure as inside a structure? Yes, this is valid. This is called containership. So one more thing, can I define one structure variable as member to the another structure? Yes. So in last example we can I define one structure variable? Yeah, the struct type def struct int id char name of 36, so int sal of emp e. Here I am defining emp e. No need e. Alt F9. You have to comment this code, otherwise we will get an errors. Comment this code, comment this code, comment this code. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9. So can I define one structure variable as member to the another structure? Yes, valid. So can I define a structure inside a structure? Yes, valid. Here faculty F, then you have access f dot e dot id. Similarly f dot e dot name, f dot e dot salary, same. So Alt F9, yes, Control F9, next Alt F5. So once uncomment this code, Alt F9, yes, Control F9, Alt F5. Similarly same. Okay. Next one more thing. So I want to comment this code. I want to comment all this code. Next one is, so type def struct emp. So Alt F9, yes, valid, Control F9, yes. So main is not defined, that's why this code is not running. Oh, okay. So can I define same structure variable as member to the same structure? Yeah, within the struct emp, once again I am using struct emp of e. This is invalid. This one is logically the size is infinity. We will get an error. Alt F9, yes, we will get an error, undefined structure emp. So can I define one structure variable as member to the another structure is valid. So can we define same structure variable as member to the same structure? No. This is logically the size is infinity. So next video we have to discuss about struct to pointer. Thank you for watching. Still you have any doubts? Please refer once again. Thank you for watching.